Good afternoon to you all, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you class 12 a very inspiring story. As according to the new syllabus, it would be the first lesson. At Tiger King is removed, the enemy, for class 12 literature portion. The main character of this story is Dr. Sadayu Hoki, his wife Hana, Sadayu Hoki father, and General Takima. The story starts with this point that Sadayu Hoki is in his house. It was morning time and his house was near the seashore. So early in the morning when he got up, he saw that near his house, actually it was a foggy day, so he saw a man creeping and after some times fall down on the ground. So Dr. Sadayu Hoki was thinking that what type of things it would be. Then his wife came and both went there. Actually, it was a man who was wounded. At first glance, as soon as Dr. Sadayu saw it, he tried his best level way to recognize that where is the wound. And when he found that, he told his wife that this man needs operation. So both took that wounded person to their home. How Sadayu become a doctor? About this acknowledgement, the writer has written that when Sadayu Hoki was small, his father only one concern was how he would become a good surgeon. It was only the concern of his father, and that's why when he became 21, means when his education over in Japan, his father sent him to America. For actually, it was his great desire that Sadayu become an eminent doctor. Sadayu went to America, got his education, where he met Hana. But till when he was not sure about Hana that she is a Japanese girl, he didn't propose her. When he came to know that Hana is a Japanese girl, and Dr. Sadayu and Hana marriage was held in Japan according to the custom of So come to here now. Actually the wounded man belongs to America, as on his head it was detained Tom. So Japanese and Americans, good evening. You already know that America dropped bomb in Nagasaki and Hiroshima in Second World War. But being a doctor, it would be the responsibility of Dr. Sadayu to save that person. All the servants became angry just to see that. Even when Dr. Sadayu needed hot water, boiled water, the maid servant Yami refused. So anyhow, Dr. Sadayu operated that wounded person with the help of his wife Hana. The condition of that wounded person becoming better and better. At the seventh day, all the servants went. Even Yami also. But Hana paid them and never showed a sign on her face that she was much worried. In the meanwhile, a messenger came. Hana feared much by thinking that it would be surely has come to take the message of arresting his husband. But actually, General Takima was not feeling well. That messenger had. Dr. Sadayu went there and explained all the things. That how he said. Takima heard and said, "Okay, don't worry. You told me. I will send the killer. They will kill you." But he didn't. Many a day Sadayu waited, and at last, providing him board, clothes, food, sent to a island. In the meanwhile, once again General Takima fell ill seriously, and when Sadayu went there, he operated him. After some days, he became recovered. And when Dr. Sadayu told that you didn't send any killer, that's one had. Takima thought that it was mine. So it was a Jisam. Dr. Sadayu performed both roles as well as a doctor and a national patriot. You already know about this story in Hindi also. So read its PDF and prepare the question answer. Thanks. That's all.